Hi everybody, this piece of equipment is called the Bobbin Sander. Now the Bobbin Sander is a very useful piece of equipment in that it can be used for sanding internal curves or concave curves on solid timbers, hardwoods and softwoods, and manufactured boards and acrylics or sheet plastics as well. We don't tend to use this bit of equipment for metals. So the cutting is done by this abrasive sleeve, and that abrasive sleeve, we've got a 15mm abrasive sleeve fitted to this piece of equipment at the moment, and the insert plate and the sleeve can be removed and the spindle can be replaced by anything up to about a 50mm diameter. Clearly shown is also the cutting table, and the cutting table can actually be tilted so that we can actually sand our work, if we wish, our curve at an angle. The Bobbin Sander is turned on and off by this rocker switch, very easy to use, and it's ably supported in case of emergency with this emergency stop button. And remember, the rule of thumb is we do not turn the machine on and off with the emergency stop button. That is there purely for emergencies. Now this piece of equipment, it's general PPE, personal protective equipment that we'd use, safety glasses. We don't tend to use ear protection because it doesn't make that much noise, although that's optional. But again, we would wear an apron to protect our clothing. If you're going to have prolonged use with this, you may wear also a dust mask. Now, there's no guards particularly on this piece of equipment because they're not required. And there's no extraction. You can fit extraction because there is some quite fine dust particles that are produced. So let's have a little look then at the machine in use. So Sir now is going to demonstrate just cutting a curve into a piece of material. If he applies some pressure, he can get a nice internal curve, or he can stop in one particular place and just ease the material in to get more of a defined curve. So it's very, very useful to be able to cut those or to sand up with this abrasive those internal curves. So just to recap, Bobbin Sander is used for the sanding of internal or concave curves into thin sheet or solid material. Thank you very much.